Hey guys, I hope you've enjoyed this spring lookbook. I know it's kind of weird that I'm uploading 2 lookbooks in a row, one of them being a winter lookbook, one of them being a spring lookbook, and they're like 1.5 months apart. Yeah, sorry. But Eastpak kindly sent some stuff over and asked me to promote it in a video, and I thought what better way to promote some backpacks and some bum bags than in a lookbook. So that's how this came to be. Yeah, I promise the next video will be something other than a lookbook. I hope at least, because I'm going to be moving very, very soon and I need to renovate my new flat and stuff like that. So I'm not sure how much time I'm going to have to film some videos. But if you want to see me do some furniture DIYs or something like that, because I'm going to build some furniture for my new flat anyways, so I could make a video out of that if that's something you're interested in. Let me know in the comments down below. So thanks again to Eastpak for sponsoring this video. This is my first ever sponsored video. Yay! I don't know. You can check out all the items from Eastpak I've shown in this video in the description down below. I'm going to leave a link down there, so click that if you're interested. So let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed this lookbook and which of these looks was your favourite one. And also let me know whether you want to see me do some furniture DIYs, because I'm gladly gonna make some videos like that. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this one and I hope I've inspired you with this one. If I did so, why not give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I make new videos every now and then. And you better hit the bell as well, because YouTube doesn't like when I make videos every now and then. So better hit the bell and don't miss anything. You can also follow me over on Instagram at dapperalien. All my social links are in the description down below. Anyway, that's it from me for now, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye!